I'm not sure if you got that. This is the same continuation of the video. So I'm talking about creating three-dimensional structure within this 13,500 square meters of field that I've got, field of study, and I was concluding that I had enormous amounts of storage volume above the ground. Well, that goes without saying, doesn't it? The logical answer is not always the most creative. Are they storage or are they electrolyzers up there? Look, the point about miniaturization is important. The point about miniaturization. Alright, so you've got some idea that you've got a voltage divider on the back here. Alright? The difference between those cells is just about right for the purpose of splitting water into hydrogen into oxygen. These are different. Certainly these, you can't get anything out of them other than 48 volts. But on the other side, I've got a high current connection, and it combines storage and production of hydrogen. Could do. And it would fit within that shed. Now that shed has a highly symbolic significance on this site, because everything here depends on that shed. It's always been here as far as I'm concerned. Now these, you cannot see them from the road. You cannot see them from anybody else's house. That one up there is ditto. And as for this one, well, it's behind my solar array, and I do think that those bottles need to be filled with a flammable gas. And I think that gas is hydrogen. I'm not convinced that I need to store much more than 20 or 50 cylinders of it. But one of the uses of it, of course, is lifting. And colourful balloons. Yes, lover dog. How are you? How are you? You excited about hydrogen this morning? 1 minute I'm excited about water. And the next minute I'm excited about photosynthesis. And the next minute I'm excited about that's the safest place for a fusion reactor. We've already got it. Fusion's here. Well, no, it's over there. We can do quite well to capture it. Jeepers. I brought water to these plants this year. Look how they've grown. That got a lot of water too. I bet you next year that'll... Yeah, well anyway, that little bit's working alright. Here we go, speckled wood coming towards us. Through what has been like a bramble cleared area really, isn't it, Foxy? did clear a few brambles under there because I saw that tree started to grow. It's an interesting tree. It's a larix. Not enough bees, not enough bees, not enough butterflies. Ah, sigh. Right. I fancy a cup of tea. And then I'm going to do, because I think I can get it fairly easily off of the internet, how many kilowatt hours it takes to produce 1 kilogram lift of hydrogen. No. Weather balloon. Cost of weather balloon. About £10, isn't it? When did I last buy one of them and fly it on this field? 15 years ago. Filled it with helium at the time, which is a voice making altering substance. Alright, Foxy, I haven't let you out. I haven't ignored you. Make yourself at home. Oh look, another of those batteries. Right. I'm not going to tidy this place up before my guest arrives. No, my visitor arrives, not my guest. My visitor arrives. I thought I might say I'm utterly mad and take me as I am. Professor Masters.